This is not a motivation channel. You don't need fixing, and you don't need to try harder. If you are here, you are not lost. You are in transition between who you were and who you haven't yet learned how to be. Most women don't struggle because they are weak. They struggle because they are running internal systems that were built for survival, not expansion. This channel exists to explain why change feels hard, why motivation keeps fading, and why starting over can feel lonely even when it's right. We talk about the theory behind transformation, identity, patterns, burnout, confidence, and rebuilding, without pressure, without hype. Understanding is the first step. Implementation is a different journey. This is her renaissance, a space for women rebuilding themselves, quietly, intentionally, and honestly.